Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Google Play Store on iOS. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device and navigate to the battery settings. Here, see if the low power mode is turned off. If it isn't, make sure to do so beforehand. After that, go back one step, scroll down to that Safari app tile and access it. Here, toggle off the block pop-ups feature and you are good to go. Now, open any type of preferred browser and search for appsafe.club. Now, a website will open up. Here, you can either search for Play Store using the search bar above or just look for it manually. Once you have found it, tap on it and start the injection. Wait for it to complete and you will be asked to complete some offers. Simply download and install any one app and you will be able to get the Play Store app. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.